Hey guys, just a quick little announcement for Chassepots de Famas. If you are part of the pre-sale on Kickstarter, we have 2 days left. That is on the end of Tuesday, January 28th. We are going to lock all of the shipping addresses so that we can send that information to the printer so that they can get ready to actually ship books. If you have moved or you want the book sent to a different address or anything like that, you have until Tuesday, the 28th, that's 2 days from when I'm posting this video, to change your address, give us whatever the final address is that you want. There are a few people out there I know who haven't given us any address yet, so it'd be very nice to get one from you. There is a link in the description text below to BackerKit where you can log in, change any information that you need to, and like I said, then on Tuesday we're locking it all. So this is your final warning. Of course, if you haven't ordered a copy of the book and you would still like to, you can do that through our website, Headstamp Publishing. There's a link to that in the description as well, and you still have a chance to get in on the initial shipment of books direct from the printer. Anyway, that is your final warning, as they say. Links are in the description text. Thanks.